Welcome back to the porch swing, friends. I'm Amanda, and today we are going to make this Santa Claus Christmas card holder. This is a super easy DIY. You don't need a lot of materials or a lot of skill to pull it off, and I'm going to show you how. If you've seen my last video where we did the snowman stocking holder, it's going to be very similar, so I'll leave a card up above if you haven't seen that. I'll also leave a list of all of the materials you're going to need, but we're going to go over them now. I just have this landscaping timber. I got this at Lowe's. You can buy them 8-foot. Lowe's will cut it for you. I think it was around $4, and I have it cut to 2.5 feet. You can do yours as tall as you want. I also have a scrap piece of plywood here. This is, I think, 12 by 12. I picked up this cute Santa face at the Dollar Tree, but you could use really anything, any sign will work. I also have some Waverly chalk paint in white. I have some little mini clothespins from Dollar General, my cordless drill. I have a few wood screws here that I am going to use to screw the base on, a Sharpie, some scissors, hot glue, you know the essentials that you need for all the projects, right? And I have a few just little decorations that you might need. You're also going to need some red paint. I am using some spray paint here because that's what I have. If you've been around here very long, you know we just use up what we have, but you could definitely use acrylic or chalk paint or any other kind of paint for that. Now I am just going to paint the base this white with this Waverly chalk paint. Again, you just use whatever paint you have as always. And yep, my brush already had some paint on it from another project. That's how we roll. Once all of that is dry, I'm just going to take my base and line it up there in the center, and then I'm just going to put a couple screws just to hold it in place. Now it's time to attach the Santa face, and I'm just putting a liberal amount of hot glue on there. You could put some screws, but I really think that hot glue works just fine. I use the Gorilla hot glue and it holds it just fine. I'm cutting off the top little tag there and putting on his little scarf. I got this ribbon, I think at Dollar General, but I also bought some that look just like it at Hobby Lobby. I think the Hobby Lobby is cheaper, and I did cut the little thing the wrong way, so I had to fix that, but there it is. Now, I forgot to mention this at the beginning of the video because that's how I roll. That's how you never know what you're going to need, right? And so I always put the list in the description box. But I am just going to cut him out some little Santa boots, and so I'm using some high-density foam for this. Now, I didn't like the first ones I cut out, so I ended up cutting out a second pair. And don't think you have to use foam for this, guys. You could paint this, or you really didn't have to put any, but you could use, you know, like I said, paint, wood, anything you got. Just look around and find something you have. Don't think you have to buy something if you don't already have it. Now, once I had his feet that way I liked it, I am using these little paper clips. Like I said, I bought them at Dollar General, and when I first started hot gluing them on there, I didn't realize that the package has 2 different sizes. So once I realized that, I actually liked the slightly bigger size, so I ended up taking them off. Yeah, threw them off there. That's a good thing about hot glue, right? You can do it quickly, and you can take it back off, and using the little bit bigger size. They do sell these at the Dollar Tree. You could use regular size clothespins, really anything, but I thought these gold ones from Dollar General were really, really cute. You don't really need to worry about getting them evenly spaced because, as we know, Christmas cards come in all shapes and sizes. You could put these around all 4 sides. You could put them just on the front. Whatever you like, just make it for you. Here he is all done. He's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love him so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, be sure to hit like if you like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. I can't wait to see you in the next project. Bye guys.